In front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by hitting this gear at the top of your keyboard and selecting Theme section. Now you can scroll down, click on Show More at the bottom right corners and access all available themes. After locating the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and then select Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to the same settings. But this time, instead of scrolling down, hit this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. From here, by tapping on those three lines at the top left corners and tapping on one of those sources, or selecting one of those apps. Either way, after tapping on the photo, you need to pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back the second time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!